Guys, this one feels incredibly light and comfortable the moment you slip into it. The fabric is soft, smooth, and super breathable on the skin. It has a subtle sheer finish that adds a refined and elegant touch. Honestly, it's designed to keep things simple yet stylish. The waistband sits gently without any tight pressure. It gives a secure fit while still feeling relaxed. Friends, this is perfect for long hours of easy wear. No irritation, no adjusting. Just effortless comfort. The stitching is neat and almost invisible. Even under fitted outfits, it stays completely seamless. What really stands out is the airy feel of the fabric. It keeps you cool and fresh throughout the day. The design is minimal but very thoughtfully crafted. Nothing flashy, just a clean and modern vibe. It gives a calm and confident appearance. The cut allows natural and free movement. You won't feel restricted at any point. The material quality feels soft yet durable. It holds its shape well, even after washing. That's a big plus for daily wear. The overall fit is snug but comfortable. It adjusts smoothly to your body shape. A perfect blend of comfort and elegance. Definitely something you'll keep reaching for. A sleek and classy essential that fits right into your routine, guys. It adds a subtle touch of sophistication to your everyday style. Once you try it, it quickly becomes a favorite pick.